Hello, what's up, bro? Welcome back to my channel, ardimaspanji official. I will today making for the design is the name Shortsuit Design for spring summer. Okay, let's check it out. This one for design short set. Look at this. This is the name brand Deluxe Trip. Forever Trip. You can see from the t-shirt like that for the design. This is logo. Palm. Deluxe Trip. Forever Trip. This is for the short pant. I recommend that use the material mesh. This is for the back, and then for the additional color is the green, blue, and the orange, like that. This is the pattern for the back. This is the shorts files. Look at that. You like or not? Okay, I will show you one by one the design. Look at that. Okay, this one, the green, the orange. I will show you for the brand. This one, the brand is named Deluxe Trip Apparel. Trip forever. Okay. Okay, I will show you for the cover session. Boom. This one, I think is the jokes. My bad. Okay, thank you. Yes, the matching. Next, okay. Thank you. Yes, I like it. Thank you. Thank you. Before I'm making for the gray, my buyer is not like that. I'm making for the color is the green. Look at that. Yes, I like that. Okay, thank you so much. I need the new order tracksuit. Never done before. Okay, this done. Right? My design always short file and then separate files like that. Use the manufacturing easy to my files use. Okay. Okay, thank you so much for order to me for the Shortsuit design for the spring summer session. If you like my artwork, comment in the below and then subscribe my channel YouTube. If you want to order a collection on the tracksuit or windbreaker or a t-shirt or race tees or something else like a trucker hat, that hat, other collection, you can message me on the WhatsApp and my link social media. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.